Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's your boy Professor Crypto. Got another hot crypto class for you guys today. This one's on fire. You guys already know. Anything we bring on the channel, it's got that heat, got the potential, and it definitely should be watched. This one is no different, guys. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Class is now in session. This one is called Bityard. Now guys, we have done several videos on Bityard, but just to refresh your memory, Bityard is a digital assets trading platform focused on offering fast, easy, and safe contracts trading. The Singapore headquartered exchange is regulated and licensed in multiple leading markets around the world. An emphasis on simplicity and accessibility makes Bityard ideal for anyone looking to enter the derivatives market. What I want to show you guys today is a video on simplified contracts trading on Bityard, just so you can get a full holistic understanding about it.
Hey everybody, and welcome to our contract trading beginner's guide using the Bityard platform, the world's leading cryptocurrency contracts exchange that's safe, easy, and fast. I'm Andrew. I'm a secondary education teacher and the founder of the El Nido Cat Sanctuary. And the only reason I'm mentioning this is because maybe like me, you have dreams and financial goals that don't exactly match up with your current job or situation in life. And maybe like me, you're a believer in the potential of cryptocurrencies as a disruptive technology, as digital assets that will revolutionize the way financial systems work globally sooner rather than later. And though holding on to your crypto patiently, waiting until the next inevitable bull run, whenever that may be, is a very smart investment in my opinion. I'm very excited to talk to you today about one of the most viable options to be profitable even while markets crash and continue to correct. Contract trading, and using the best platform there is for it right now, Bityard. For this video, we'll focus on three things. First, what contract transactions actually are and the foundational knowledge we need to understand how we can earn by using it. Second, Bityard as a platform and its unique features. And third, the complete, fast and easy process from signing up to depositing into your account to actually trading cryptocurrency contracts. First of all, we need to know what contracts actually are. Contracts are instruments that allow investors to trade an asset based on its price movement alone. Simply put, as an investor, you have to make a decision as to whether you believe the price of an asset will go up, we call this a long position, or go down, which we refer to as a short position. Essentially, you are purchasing that asset at the price when you enter that contract, and you sell that asset at the price when you close that contract. And this determines your profit or loss. What this means is that you don't actually have to own the asset. Via the contract, you come into agreement with other investors through an exchange to buy and sell an asset as its price increases or decreases. Let's look at this graph. Do you think the price of Bitcoin will go up? Then enter into a contract to go long and earn as the price rises. Do you think the price of Bitcoin will go down? Then enter into a contract to go short and earn as the price falls. Of course, making the wrong call means losing the trade, which reflects as a loss of capital. But making the right call means winning the trade despite the price of the asset falling, which is essentially how we can earn during bear markets using contract trading. Contract trading is also sometimes called margin trading or leverage trading because contracts allow you to buy assets at a margin or fraction of its market price through the use of leverages. This makes more sense using the example we have right now on screen. Let's say you want to trade 1 Bitcoin, and for the ease of computation, let us assume that 1 Bitcoin is equal to $10,000. But you only have $5,000 in your trading account. Contract trading gives various options for you to be able to trade 1 whole Bitcoin by means of leverages. By using a 2 times leverage, you will essentially be able to trade 1 whole Bitcoin by using 50% or 1/2 of a Bitcoin, in this case, $5,000. But then, why would you risk your entire trading account in one trade? We may opt to use only $1,000 at 10 times leverage, $500 at 20 times leverage, or $100 at 100 times leverage. What this means is that contract trading allows you to access a larger sum of capital through leveraging. Being able to open trades with bigger capital means that you may be able to secure a potentially higher profit while at the same time protecting your trading account by putting at risk only smaller margins of what you have. The higher the leverage, the higher your potential profit might be. But your loss is limited simply by the amount of money you actually sign into the contract. By only risking $100, we're able to use various leverages to trade as if we were using so much more. 20 times leverage would make it as if we were trading $2,000. 50 times leverage would be as if we were trading $5,000. 80 times as if $8,000, and at 100 times leverage, we're able to gain profits as if moving $10,000, but again, we can lose at most just the $100 that we put in. Using the same example earlier, say we trade $500 at 20 times leverage. Similarly, we use our assumed price of Bitcoin to be $10,000 for this example, and we use that as our entry price. For this example, we'll be taking a long position. Now, let's look at two possible situations side by side. One, where the price rises to $11,000, and the other, where the price drops to $9,500. We can get the percent change based on the difference between the price when we open the contract and when we close it. In the first case, we see a 10% increase in price. But since we are using a 20 times leverage, we see profits of $200 of the money we put in, which is huge. Your $500 is now $1,500, a profit of $1,000. If the market didn't go your way, however, and went down to $9,500, which is a 5% difference, we have a loss of 20 times 5%, which is 100% of the amount we put in. So your $500 gets wiped out and you lose it to the market. One of the most important takeaways from this example is that 1, it's pretty easy to lose a lot of money if you don't know what you're doing, especially if you get the urge to throw in a huge chunk of your capital in the hopes of winning big money fast. Yes, that's practically gambling, and no, that's not how contract trading should be used. This is pretty much where most of the negative sentiment regarding contract trading comes from, which is a misconception most people have about it. Let me reiterate. Contract trading should be used to protect your capital, and that's basically done by using the right margins and leverages, being patient with your entries, and being decisive with taking profits and cutting your losses. Hopefully, I'll be able to make another video to elaborate on those things because as easy as it is to say them, putting them into practice is so much more difficult than it sounds. But for now, let's move on to our platform of choice for cryptocurrency contract trading, Bityard. If this will be your first time putting your hard-earned money into an exchange, you may be wondering, what if they're a scam and they just want to take your money? What if the system is rigged for you to lose and they're charging you more than what's fair? These are all valid questions, and it's great if you're asking them because it's simply illogical for you to avail of a service and to use a platform you don't trust or understand. But I trust Bityard, and I know you will too. They have this up on their website for everyone to see, but let me flash it on your screen very quickly in case you haven't seen it yet. But yes, Bityard is regulated and licensed by the following institutions. They have their license numbers and issuance dates right there if you want to check. But then again, all exchanges should be regulated and licensed. In the context of other cryptocurrency trading platforms, generally the services offered are similar. There are, however, a few crucial differences between these services, and I'd just like to share a bit on how it's different, how it's better, and how we can benefit by choosing to trade on Bityard. Listed here are some of the key differences in Bityard which make it unique as a platform. Firstly, Bityard uses Tether as the base currency. Though Tether as a base currency has fewer pairs to trade with, its capability to preserve its value during downtrends and its overall stable nature makes technical analysis easier to apply and makes it relatively more reliable. In effect, this makes a better environment to trade according to your strategy, and a better environment for contract trading in general. Second, it has a built-in mining platform, which rewards you by logging into your account every 24 hours and simply claiming your rewards in the form of various cryptocurrencies, which includes the Bityard's platform token, the Bityard coin BYD. BYD as a token can deduct trading fees and allows access to excess income from listing. Fourth, Bityard uses K-line weighted average that pulls data from three major crypto exchanges, 30% from Binance, 40% from OKX, and 40% from Hobby, to display the fairest and most accurate cryptocurrency prices. Not only are the prices they display fair, what they do charge is very reasonable in the form of a one-time transaction fee for every position opened using the platform. Not only that, they have zero spread, no slippage cost, and no clawback. Basically, there are no hidden fees and they won't charge you for things that are out of your control, such as a bad entry due to a sudden spike of extreme volatility, or the mistakes of other traders when they get liquidated. Lastly, they have this cool close all function which can particularly be useful when closing multiple trades at the same time during sudden shifts in momentum. What can I say? Bityard goes the extra mile to be what it says it is. Safe, easy, fast. By now, I'm sure you're itching to start trading and make profits, so I'll be guiding you.
There you have it, guys, the beginner's guide to trading contracts on Bityard. Stay tuned for more videos on Bityard, guys. We're going to be running through some more tutorials to help you out with this platform. Shout out to all my students, guys. I love you. Shout out to the Crypto Class Gang. Shout out to the Lambo Gang. Shout out to the Whale Gang. Shout out to the Hodl Gang. Thank you for always your continued support, guys. I really appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that like button for me and drop a comment in the comment section below. Please remember, guys, we are an impartial channel, so whether your opinion is negative or positive, we'd be more than happy to hear it. That being said, guys, class is now dismissed. We'll see you in our next video. Professor Crypto out.